In this video, we are going to see the specific results from light steel frames that generates the Tricalc 22 model. We select the Drawings menu, and in the group of steel functions, we select the function Light Frames. This shows us the drawings of the first panels with the assembly details, the site to indicate where it is located, the general elevation in which this panel is located, and the perspective view, also with the panel enhanced. The icon settings enables to change some of its data. It is possible to choose the destinations such as the display, printer, metafile, DXF, DWG, etc. In the tab Light Frames, we can also choose the information we want to include and the order of it. It is optional the floor drawing, the situation in the elevation, or the perspective. We can here activate or deactivate them. And we can also place them in a horizontal way. In this case, it is better to organize it in this way. If we make zoom in this area, we can see over here the detail of every element names, the location of the pole holes, etc. In this area, we can see more details, the location in the floor plan and in the elevation plan. Here is the position of every vertical element, the location of this panel in the floor plan, in the elevation and in the perspective. This icon allows me to go to the next panel. We go to the next one, the next, or we can see a specific one doing double click over it. Let's see one from the roof, for example, this one, or a horizontal plane, for example, this one, or this with lattice beams. It is also possible to create a unique composition plan that includes every panel. We click in the icon for automatic composition, we activate Light Frames, and we deactivate Form Feed, and we click on Composition. Once it's generated in the menu Composition, we execute the function Display. We select the generated plane and we click on See Plane. Here are all the drawings for the assembly process of all the panels in only one plane. The composition options allows me to export this plane to different formats. Another one of the results is the Light Panels report that is located in the menu Summary. In the report settings, you can choose the destination, if you want a file with Word format or PDF, the type of letter, margins, etc. In the steel reports, we choose Light Panels, and it is possible to choose the information we want to show on it, and we click on Accept. An index with all the panels is generated, and each panel has a table with the materials it's composed of, the drawing of the panel, and the location in the floor plan, elevation, and perspective. Let's simplify the materials table. In this case, we choose the options to group together equal elements, which indicates that we have 7 vertical elements from view 1, from this type of steel, this type of section, its length, its unitary weight, and the total weight. It also indicates the number of frame screws and the number of screws or wall plugs to fix the panel to the base. Let's see other pages. We keep going and we see all the panels detailed. The same panels we saw before are now in a file in A4 format that allows them to be more manageable inside to do the assembly. At last, we are going to see the automatic generation of the files that are going to enable the manufacture of the panels manually or with a connection with a cut or tooling machine. Inside of the menu Summary, Measurements and Manufacturing, we choose Manufacturing, Light Frames. We select in the tree some of the panels. For example, we are going to select this one, and in this table appears the elements that compose it. The H1 is the lower horizontal element, the H2 is the upper horizontal element. It is indicated the length, type of steel, and section. And underneath we can see all the operations that need to be executed. A hole for a bolt at 22.5 centimeters from the origin, another hole for a bolt in this position, another here, etc. If we make zoom in the drawing, it is shown in pink all the operations. If we go down on the list, there are other operations like the lip cut of the section. Also, if we select any diagonal, there are included other options like edge cutting, section reduction, etc. We are going to select one of the lattice beams, and in the same way every element has the operation it needs to be executed. Let's export this data to Excel with this icon. And we do it for the whole structure. Here are all the necessary operations for every element of every panel. In this table there is also this icon, Export Beam Model, which allows me to export this data in an IFC format of the whole structure, for example, to ease the exchange of information with other professionals. This IFC file can be opened with any BIM model program to work with it, or with any visual display to take it to the site and manage the assembly. The planes and panels organizations are the same we saw at Tricalc, so we can activate or deactivate each of the different areas.